Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to update your Outlook signature on your phone. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap on your Microsoft Outlook app to open it. Once your email has loaded and you can see your inbox, direct your attention to the top part of your mobile screen. You'll notice the Outlook icon there. Go ahead and tap on it. This will cause a left side settings menu to slide out from the left side of your screen, giving you access to various options and configurations for your Outlook account. From this menu, look for the gear icon located at the very bottom of the screen. This is your settings button, and it's essential for accessing all the customization features within the Outlook mobile app. Tap on this gear icon to open your Outlook mobile settings page. This is where you can adjust everything from notifications to account preferences, and most importantly for today's tutorial, your email signature. Once your Outlook settings menu has opened, you'll prominently see the signatures option right there. This feature allows you to create and modify the automatic text that appears at the end of every email you send, which is perfect for including your contact information, job title, or any professional details you want recipients to see. Tap on the Signatures option to access the Signature Editor screen. Now you're in the Signature Editing interface where you can make your changes. From here, simply tap in the text field and type in the new signature you wish to add. You might want to include your name, position, company name, phone number, or any other relevant information that you want to appear at the bottom of your emails. You can also use the formatting toolbar at the bottom of your mobile screen to customize how your signature looks. This toolbar lets you adjust things like font style, size, boldness, italics, and even add links if needed, giving your signature a more polished and professional appearance. Once you're satisfied with how your new signature looks and you've added all the information you want to include, it's time to save your changes. To update your signature, simply tap on the check icon located at the top right of your mobile screen. This will save your new signature and apply it to all future emails you send from your Outlook mobile app. And that's it. Your Outlook signature has now been successfully updated on your phone, and it will automatically appear at the end of every new email you compose. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.